Politicians have TESCOM, PAIN, and other things on campus, but the National Commission for Civic Education, which in our constitution is a statutory institution, which basically promotes and creates awareness and promotes education. Even though have institutions on campus, but it has been made non-statutory. So the youth in the rural area may not be able to join, but the political party will come with money, will present money. This is the situation we want the youth to get involved. The institutions that will get the youth involved are not effective. That is why initially I mentioned effective institutions. If the institutions like NCC have provided opportunities or environments that will make it fun, for instance, if the status is changed to be a statutory university, once every university every student is admitted to university, you become automatic member of the institution. Your dues are paid as part of your school fees. So when we are running programs, we don't need to demand on the external institutions for money again. We need the systems around to get the youth involved.